Hey guys, me and Jamie here to give you a quick update on the TVR 33 build that we're doing, which is Jamie's favourite build so far. I don't know, Nick's one might be.
No, this I thought it's got Skyline.
Yeah, it's got Skyline. Yeah, so sorry we haven't been posting any videos on this, but it's just me and Jamie here and Ishmael, and we've been working on an FTL for the last 9 months, which is finally finished, just before Christmas. So he's got his present there, it's an early present there, and yeah, so we'll be back on this one very shortly. While we've been off it, we did design the front suspension, all the wishbones that had to be modified to get the 33 hubs and ABS system and all of that to fit on the front end. The rear end we already done, as you've seen in the previous video. If you haven't, we'll leave a link up here somewhere, you can go and watch the previous video. So that should be ready in the next couple of weeks. Once the front suspension is on, and then we can size up the front wheels, because they will be different to the rear wheels. We're going to have 19s on the rear, and we're running 18s on the front for various reasons. So yeah, once we get the wheels on the front, Jeremy, and then we can start on the bodywork, which is going to be very itchy. lots of fun.
Especially back of your neck.
Back of your neck.
Somehow the fibrosis just always finds its way and stays there for ages.
Vaseline before you start. Just rub some Vaseline in it and it'll be fine. Yeah, so that's where we're at with it at the moment. So yeah, so thank you for your patience. We're getting to it as quickly as we can. Don't forget to subscribe, because 80% of you guys are watching the videos but not subscribing, even for this one. So subscribe so we can work on it. Yeah, so we can crack on. And also, so we can crack on, head over to our merch shop and buy some merch. We do have a new line coming for 2026, but in the meantime, go and buy some of our 2025 gear while it's still there. So thank you.